Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. Still Thursday, May the 30th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number, let me see which number it will be. I think number 8628. Yeah, 8628. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18. Printed digits should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's, an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. We solve it again, without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.